Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to do masking in Capcut for viral videos. For us to be able to begin, just open Capcut onto your device and open the project when you want to do a masking. So as you can see, here onto my project, I have two clips already that I want to use. So if you haven't added yours onto your end, simply click on import to browse onto your different files or simply drag and drop the videos that you want to use. Then right after, just go ahead and simply drag and drop both of them here onto the timeline just like this. So since we've added that, we'll just have to go ahead and split this first or trim this onto the part to shorten the clip since this is just for a tutorial. So for example, I want to add a transition here onto its middle part, but this time we'll have to do it by masking. To add in the masking effect, we'll have to move the other clip here onto the upper part of the other video just like this. Then right after, we'll have to add a mask option here. Simply click onto that. Then right after, we're going to use the horizontal one in here. So we're going to go ahead and twist it just like this, 90 degrees. And we're going to go ahead and try to add a keyframe onto its first position. But what we need to do in here is we're going to completely remove this one out first, the other video. So completely drag this here just like that to cover the other video that we have in here. Then right after, click onto this diamond icon in here to add in a keyframe. So we're going to go ahead and keep on moving this little by little in here to add a masking effect. So this actually worked best on moving video clips in here. Since you could follow the movement, like for example, a car moving, you could follow the movement of a car in here onto the masking part. So let's completely cover that first since we're still here onto the first keyframe in here. So you could use the next key or the right arrow of your keyboard to go ahead and move in to another frame. So we're going to go ahead and simply move this as well. And it will automatically add a keyframe for that. Then let's move again this white line in here. Then we're going to move this again, just like that. So continue doing this to add in a masking effect onto your clip in here, just like that. Just make sure that onto the last part of the clip in here, this masking effect is also onto the last part, just like that. Could also add another keyframe over here, and we're gonna add this just like that. And if you do a quick preview, this is now how your video should look like. So also feel free to add in a feather so that it should go ahead and do something like this, or it will not visibly show a line in here for the masking. And that is how you could do a masking in CapCut for viral videos. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.